So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 6 JAMB related questions to answer on the topic forgiveness. So guys, this video will be about the benefits of forgiveness. So in short, it's stated at the end of this video. Let's go ahead and consider the first question here. It says, according to Jesus, believers who forgive the sins of others will A. inherit the earth, B. enter the kingdom of God, C. receive a crown of life, D. be forgiven by God. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, be forgiven by God, and that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So the next question we have here is question number 2. It says, if your enemy is hungry, feed him. This statement implies A. forgiveness, B. vengeance, C. charity, D. kindness. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, kindness. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. Okay, here we have question number 3, guys, and it says, God promised the faithless Israelites that if they repented of their sins and returned to him, he would A. give them shepherds after his own heart, B. give them favor in the sight of the nations, C. deliver their enemies into their hands, D. fill them with his knowledge. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's give them shepherds after his own heart. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So the next question we have here is question number 4. It says, from Hosea's teaching, we learn that God, A. will pour his spirit on all flesh, B. will create a new heart in his people, C. accepts all free will offering, D. prefers steadfast love to sacrifice. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So over here we have question number 5. It says, Philemon teaches that the benefit of forgiveness is A. responsibility, B. restoration, C. endurance, D. edification. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, restoration. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. So the next and last question here, guys, question number 6 says, according to James, judgment is without mercy to one who has shown no mercy, yet mercy triumphs over A. righteousness, B. grace, C. judgment, D. right or wrong. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, judgment. And that's it for this question. So that's the wrap up here, and this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. So if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.